Good morning, everyone. This is Saturday, June 20, 2026. Yesterday was Friday, being 19. This was what we saw on Guardian newspaper that the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, have been petitioned by one Mr. Blessing Agbomere. Mr. Blessing Agbomere is petitioning EFCC to probe Mr. Barrister Deji Adeyanju and Mr. Vincent Ose, popularly known as Very Dark Man, because of a terror financing issue and illicit network of campaign on social media. So this man is alleging that there are funds being diverted to these people to carry out campaigns, like all these protests they are doing, and so on and so forth. And whether they are complying with taxation about their social media activities and so on and so forth. Anyway, when you look at what is going on in Nigeria today, you will know that such petition is just laughable, and it is a diversion of attention. This is how they try to divert the attention of so many people so that people will not talk about what is going on. So when you look at the petition and the article that explains the petition from Guardian newspaper, it will make someone to get worried. It will make someone to get worried not because the petition allegation is true, but for someone to come out to do such a thing, there must be someone who is sending him to go and do it. Someone is behind the scene. So that tomorrow, if they pick these people up, if they pick Very Dark Man up or Deji Adeyanju, they will say, oh, someone wrote a petition to pick them up, not government picking them up. So this is just a strategy they are using to distract the people. Now, talking about finance or financial diversion, or maybe the person have access to know how much is coming into Very Dark Man's account or Deji Adeyanju's account. Someone like a Very Dark Man, because of his social media activities, he have a lot of engagement on Facebook and other social media platform. There is no doubt that yes, he will have some money from all these social media this thing. And there are some government officials and banks who do not understand all these things. So maybe they just saw the money coming and they believe that, yes, this guy is having this money to do something against the government. So we have to hold him accountable. We have to know whether he paid the tax. We have to know where this money is coming from, whether it is genuine or not. If it is not genuine, this is terror financing. Like, what is terrorism related something that Very Dark Man is doing? You understand? There is nothing like terrorism related something that he's doing. I'm not saying this because what he's doing on social media that people are seeing. I'm also saying this based on what people are not seeing. You understand? There are so many things that people don't have access to, people can't see, that some other people do. You understand? That is where investigation comes in. But these people don't have time for those things. So the allegation by this man is totally false. You understand? Anyway, I know that EFCC at the time arrested Very Dark Man. They arrested him. They said that he didn't pay tax for something. You see, the issue of tax, government might take it serious, but I don't see tax like a case. Oh, this guy did not pay tax. Maybe they were arrested. That is not a case. That is not a case. Some of the time, the government could be wrong. You understand? The government could be wrong. It's not every money that is taxable. It's not every money that is taxable. So that is apart. This was how Guardian newspaper reported it yesterday, that the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, is set to probe activist lawyer Deji Adeyanju and social media personality Martins Vincent Ose, popularly known as Very Dark Man, over allegations relating to terror financing, illicit funding networks, and other potential national security concerns. These people, they mad though, like other national security concern. If you are going to talk about national security, you should talk about the Boko Haram and the bandits. You should talk about the APC government who imported the terrorists. Which one be other national security concerns? See, people should be very careful. You see this kind of petition, don't say that I did not tell you. It is an orchestration for something. They are preparing it for something. Election is coming now. Maybe they are having two thoughts that Very, Very Dark Man is going to come against us. So when the time comes, if it is necessary, despite he's a friend to military officers, despite he's a friend to many government officials. So if the time comes, if it is necessary to pick him up, we are going to use this petition to pick him up. Then we will take him to court to prove his innocence. Before that time could pass, election is over. Such a thing is very, very easy to do. Oh, People will say if they arrest him, we are going to protest. The government knows that you will protest. And the government knows that your protest won't change anything. So this is the other angle that I'm seeing this thing. All right. This followed a petition submitted by legal practitioner Blessing Agbomere, who requested the anti-graft agency to undertake a comprehensive probe into the source of funds, sponsorship, arrangements, and financial activities of the two public figures. In the petition dated June 17, 2026, that is just a few days ago, Agbomere, principal partner at Blessing Agbomere and Partners, urged the EFCC to scrutinize the funding behind the advocacy campaigns, media engagements, protests, legal interventions, and public mobilization activities associated with Deji Adeyanju and Very Dark Man. According to the petitioner, the scale and frequency of their public engagement warrant closer examination to ensure compliance with financial regulation, anti-money laundering laws, and other obligations. Agbomere asked the Commission to determine whether funds deployed in support of their activities were derived from lawful and transparent sources, and whether all relevant obligations relating to taxation, financial disclosure, and regulatory compliance had been fulfilled. Just like I explained to you, this is bullshit. This is bullshit, but Very Dark Man and Deji Adeyanju should not take it lightly. I'm saying this because it will be a very big distraction. And all these terrorists operating in Nigeria, they take advantage of distraction. The APC government, they take advantage of distraction. Anytime the people are distracted, the government will be happy. They will use that opportunity to do something crazy. Anytime the people are distracted, the terrorists will use the opportunity to do mass movements. Why people will be talking about it, the terrorists will be moving in their trucks and lorries down to south and down to every other corner they want to be. So these people always utilizes any distraction that comes. I can't forget what happened during coronavirus. They feel that during that coronavirus that is the time people are not paying attention. So they started moving. They move in their hundreds of thousands. And they settle into so many places. That time was the time they made the movement of the Ruga people did not allow them to do. They made the movement. So this thing, the way I'm seeing it, they are going to use it to pick Very Dark Man up before the election. Save this video. And when they do that, you will protest, as I said, but your protest won't change anything. And that time, they will see that this guy is not trying to support us, despite saying that he will support us. Despite coming close to him, we have given him a word. He's our boy. We are doing everything to make sure that he stays with us. So if he rises against us, we are going to use him as an example and put him to where he belongs. Plan, orchestrated, the deal is done. Then the petition fly first. Everybody will talk about the petition. It's nonsense, it's nonsense, it's nonsense. Everything will die up. But in their mind, the plan is on. So when the appointed time comes, they will now go and arrest him. If you protest, the government want to intimidate Very Dark Man, they will tell you that on so date, a petition was filed against him about terror financing, tax so, this and that. And before you go to court, maybe court will strike out terror financing point. They will come to tax issue. EFCC will be delaying it. Maybe at the end they will find you just guilty that there are some amount that comes into account that you are supposed to tax. You are supposed to pay tax and you did not pay tax. Because of that, it's a billable something. But since they combine it with terror financing, the bill will be difficult. So this is a big distraction coming. But I personally know that all these things is just bullshit. It's not true. Okay.